Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a press-on nail haul. I'm going to show you the different ones that they sent me. You guys know I don't normally wear press-ons, but I do know quite a few people do. So this is JF0315, and this guy, okay, great. So each individual, oh, that's nice. Okay, so each individual one comes with the different things that you will need. Hey, that's actually really smart. So this one, I actually picked this one out because I absolutely loved that orange. So, let's see. You know what, let me show you how to fit these. That's actually probably a really good thing. So let's show you how to fit a, fake nail to your nail. Looks like they have 20 sizes, and they give you the directions on the back. This one happens to just be in the way, but I mean, I can wear that technically over. You know what, let's do that. So they give you these bad boys. So these are significantly bigger than some of the ones that I have. They give you a little direction, but like, look at how big this is. So the good thing about how big that is compared to some of the ones I have off Amazon, which do work great, is that that bad boy is covering your nail. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. So push it down. Oh, these things are like the bane of my existence. There we go. So let's show you how much coverage that does. So the only thing not covered is this guy, and then a little bit down here. Because for me, you're not gonna wanna put it all the way to the back here. You're gonna create extra bulk that you don't need. So I like to just slide it in and push down. It's actually pretty strong. Like, I could easily wear these out like on a date night if I'm, and this is actually the right size for me, like lengthwise. It's a little bit longer than what my current nails are. I have definitely different types of cuticles. None of them are quite the same, but actually with my other nails, I can actually make these work. Yeah, I like how big these are. I wonder if you can buy more of these. Let's see if I can get this off in one. It's always these little pieces. Hey, that worked pretty well. So again, I like to push back. I feel like that's not focusing. Push back and then pull down, and then the sides as well. Again, push down and then pull forward, so it kind of goes under that cuticle. Even though I have gel nails on, those actually look pretty good because they're not like overly long. I mean, keep in mind these are sticky pads, like they will come off, but like, I mean, those bad boys are on pretty good, I have to say. These wide little, I'm trying to get it in so it can see the light. These are pretty sweet. if you want to glue them on, they give you a little buffer. So I mean, it's technically a file, but what they want you to do is remove the shine. You have to push back your cuticles, and then you have your nail glue, and then pads to clean off your nails. So you will need alcohol. They give you everything on this super tiny, like, here's the size of my nail thing, but I'm pretty sure this is all on their website. But actually, this is pretty easy to read, but I mean, just, it's pequeño, okay? So anytime, I feel like a different person, you know, like when you're, I hate having no nails, but filming tutorials, I'm like, I constantly feel like I have to have nails, but as a person, I don't like to not have nails. So I'm constantly building up and removing. This might be a good thing to add to it. But let me show you the other ones I got. So this is the second design I got. It is JF0328. And it does have all that in there. So you get French nails, you get design nails. Now these seem decently clear. There is some clearness to it, so I wonder if you could get away with doing like a press-on, but with like gel. To be determined. There is a clear pink one that I might try doing. Next one is JF0424. And this is a natural ombre, but it's like a super light one. Whoopsies. I'm not sure you can see, it's definitely whiter at the tip. And then coming down, nice natural looking ombre. It is a little bit lighter, but not like too in your face. I also got a pink and white, which is JF23. I don't need to pull that out. You literally see that it's a pink and white. These are the ones I'm really excited for. So it was this one and then this one. So this is JF12. JF0412. This does have a clear base, so, and they're all designed, so you could easily do this one with builder gel. You just got to be kind of careful where it's fully colored, and just be aware you may want to cure underneath your nail. So I think I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try the Gel X method with this guy because there is so much clear that I feel comfortable doing it. But you definitely do not want to do it on solid nails. It does not work and can cause so many allergies. You don't want to do that. So I want to thank Joy of Fashion for sending these over. If you have any questions, I will try to do my best to try to answer them. I will link them below. I think these are really cute designs for press-ons. I think I feel like a different person with this and I didn't have to design it. This would not work with that Gel X because it's not clear, where that one, that whole entire section is clear. So again, I want to try the Gel X with that. So stay tuned for a video. Who knows when that will be up, so remind me if you're like, I need it now. All right, thank you guys so much for watching it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. Y'all, let me tell you something. Those sticky tabs were insane to get off. They were so secure on my nails. Love that. Absolutely love that.